right after using this soap, your skin looks very, very bright, like bright. Hey guys, Moe-san here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share my top 2 favorite whitening soaps that I used every day to help me achieve a brighter complexion. These products, I actually got them from the Philippines when I went for vacation last January. I actually bought a lot of them because I know for sure that I won't be able to go back to the Philippines sooner. So I've decided to actually buy a lot. So the first product that I'm going to share with you guys is you guys know this one for sure, and I know this is a very, very popular soap, and this is the so this is the Kojie Skin Lightening Soap. Guys, this is the most popular whitening soap in the Philippines. They also sell some Kojic Acids here in Canada, but they are so expensive. I got this Kojie soap for like 400 or 500 pesos. I am not so sure, I forgot. But anyways, there's like 6 body soaps inside, and this is what they look like. It smells so nice. It smells like citrus. Can you imagine, in Canada this soap is actually $5, which is 300 peso in the Philippines. Getting this kind of product in the Philippines are actually cheaper, and you can actually save a lot of money by going there and buying it. A little bit about this product. It says that the Kojic Acid is prescribed by your dermatologist. It's now available as a Kojie Skin Lightening Soap. It contains a high-grade cosmetic all-natural Kojic Acid that helps prevent melanin production, making skin lighter. So Kojie Skin Lightening Soap is effective in diminishing dark spots, freckles, and acne, and also stretch marks and uneven skin tone. Basically, the Kojic Acid is discovered in Japan. It is the byproduct of Kojie, or malted rice, used in the production of rice wine. So now in cosmetic, Kojic Acid is popularly known for its remarkable whitening and antioxidant properties. It is best to use for face and body daily, and for optimum result, basically they're asking you to get also the Kojie Lightening Lotion with SPF 25 after bathing. I do not have that, so I only have Kojie soap. So let's talk about the good thing about this product. Aside from it's very, very effective, the smell, and also right after using this soap, your skin looks very, very bright, like bright, especially if you continuously using it for like a week without sun exposure. The good thing about using this product here in Canada is we don't have a longer summertime. We only have 3 months of summer, and we have 9 months of winter. So using this kind of product helps you to achieve a whiter complexion. Another thing that I like about this product is it actually is good for your exfoliation. What I do with the soap is I use it with a body scrub, because you know it helps with sloughing off those dead skin cells, and I actually use a whitening lotion after this one, and it works good. I know in the box it says that you can use it on your face. I don't use it on my face because I use a different kind of product for my face, because you know, like, our skin pretty sensitive than, you know, our bodies. So I don't use this, and it's pretty strong. I used it before, but it's kind of drying on the skin. Let's talk about the cons now. So the only thing I kind of don't like about this product is actually it's drying on the skin. So you have to use a moisturizing. Other than that, that's the only thing I don't like. But anyways, it's manageable. You just have to basically use a lotion and it works good. So guys, that is for the Kojie Skin Lightening Soap, and again I'll show you guys how it looks like. So this is how it looks like, and guys, some people, they try to cut it in like 4 pieces, because you know they melt fast. I don't cut them in half or in 4 pieces or whatever. I just use the whole bar. I don't really leave it in the shower room. I put it in a separate like a cupboard. So yeah, anyways, the next product that I'm gonna actually show you guys is one of my favorite also, and this is the So this is the Belo Essentials Smoothening Whitening Body Bar. This product is a revitalizing body bar that smoothens skins as it visibly whitens in just 7 days. So the same thing with the Kojie It has the jojoba beads gently slough off dead skin cells, while arbutin ensures maximum whitening power. So arbutin is a very strong ingredient for skin discoloration and uneven skin tone. So this is hypoallergenic, and this is dermatologist tested. So again, they also suggest Belo whitening lotion after using this soap, specifically with smoothing body bar. It has those little beads, but I don't rely on those beads that's on the soap, because I don't know, it's just that I don't feel like your skin gets exfoliated well enough. So I still use that separate body scrub, or you know, those gloves with like rough gloves, I don't know how you guys say it, like a loofah or something. Anyways, this is what it looks like, and as you guys can see, there's like a little pink color over here, and that is the beads. In terms of efficacy, excellent. Like, it works very well for skin whitening and skin brightening. The same thing with Kojie Sun. Like, after shower, your skin looks very bright. In comparison to a Kojic Acid, Kojic Acid actually has more whitening effect compared to Belo Essentials whitening soap. The thing with Belo Essentials soaps are they're not drying on the skin. So that's what I really like about Belo Essentials, especially in Canada. Like during winter season, our winter can be very harsh and very drying, so this is very good moisturizing, and you don't actually need to use a lotion after using this soap. This is this is hypoallergenic, and it's good for sensitive skin. One box is, I believe, like 100 peso, but here in Canada you can get this one for $4. So that is expensive actually. If you guys have a chance to go back to the Philippines and buy a Belo Essential soap, go and grab lots of them, because in Canada, here is very expensive. Again, ta-da! And the next soap that I'm gonna share with you guys is another Belo Essential products, but this one is a little different. This is Moisturizing Whitening Body Bar. So basically, it's also it's the same thing with the smoothing. It's just that it doesn't have those pink beads. I would say the ones that I actually use most of the time, because it's so moisturizing on the skin, and it doesn't dry up my skin and feels very soft and like moisturized. So that's what I really like about this moisturizing body bar. Regarding the ingredients, it's the same thing as the smoothing whitening body bar. So it also has the arbutin, which is a very popular ingredients for whitening. So both of them actually has a salicylic acid, which we know is a good exfoliant to help get rid of acne. Those are two of the most popular ingredients. I remember they used to have a glutathione and Kojic Acid in a soap bar, but I don't know, they changed it now actually. So I don't see any glutathione and Kojic Acid ingredients, but Belo does have a different kinds of soap that is a Kojic Acid with tranexamic acid. So I will have to do a review on that next time. In regards to the most commonly used soap that I have, these two, and I really like them, and Kojic Acid. These soaps are amazing in terms of skin whitening. It does make your skin white, like whole white. Like, I'm telling you, I can't, as I said earlier, I cannot overemphasize it, but these soaps, it's a good whitening soaps, guys. So I really highly recommend that you guys use the Belo Essentials whitening soaps and also the Kojie Sun. There you go, guys. So those are my review with Kojie Sun and Belo products. And guys, I will put their website down below for you guys to check out and to see more information about them, and also with the Kojie Sun. And so guys, those are my reviews for tonight, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. So if you guys have any questions, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and also share it with your friends and families. And I will see you guys again on my next video. Bye bye.